Hello students, pursuing further, let us study about some more poetic devices. Poetic devices are the tools used by the poets to lend musical effect, to stress a point or draw readers' attention. Now, what is anaphora? Anaphora is a poetic device in which a word or a group of words is used repeatedly to create special effect. For example, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Here the word don't is repeated at the beginning of 3 consecutive lines. So we can say poetic device anaphora is being used here. Next literary device that we are going to study today is personification. Personification is a literary device in which human qualities are given to non-human things such that they seem to be living beings. Example, you tore the pages of books. You refers to the wind here. Which pronoun do we use for wind? Of course, it. But here, instead of using it, the poet has made use of you. So, the wind is addressed here as if it were a person. So, we can say wind is personified here. So, poetic device personification is being used here. Another poetic device that we are going to study now is transferred epithet. Transferred epithet is a figure of speech in which an adjective is used but not with the noun it qualifies. It is used before some other noun. For example, melancholy darkness. Melancholy means sad. Here, it is not the darkness that is sad, but some human beings who are sad in the darkness. So instead of using the adjective melancholy before human beings, the poet has transferred it before darkness. So we can say figure of speech transferred epithet is used here. Let's have a look at one more example. To escape the pursuing stick. Here it is not the stick that is pursuing the snake, but some person with a stick in his hand is pursuing the snake. So, the poetic device transferred epithet is being used here. Let's move on to the next poetic device, which is enjambment. Enjambment is a poetic device in which one line of poetry rolls on to the next line without any pause marked by a comma or a full stop. For example, rising out of it, feeding. Upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water. Here, there is no punctuation mark at the end of the first or the second line. The first line rolls on to the second and the second line is carried on to the third. So, we say that poetic device enjambment is being used here. Let's move on to the next figure of speech, which is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a poetic device that uses extreme exaggeration to create a comic effect, to make a point or show emphasis. For example, and ink and blink chased lines down the stairs. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers. So the poet makes an overstatement about the normal characters Ink, Blink and Belinda. Next poetic device is pun. Pun is a very popular literary device used by the poets in which a word is used in a manner to suggest 2 or more possible meanings to create humor or irony. For example, and not move our arms so much. In this line, the word arms has 2 meanings. Arms refers to weapons and it also refers to arms in the human body. So it has two meanings. That's why we can say that poetic device pun is being used here. Thank you students for watching this video, and for more such videos kindly subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.